I recently decided to go ahead and learn 3D graphics as a side project for my current project. However, little did I know, for the next couple of days, I only worked on this little 3D project of mine. This was because of how enjoyable the learning process was, mostly because I was already familiar with OpenGL, as well as helpful examples from GitHub. Day 1 consisted of setting up the scene, camera, and meshes. Nothing much to be said here, except that I spent half my day wondering why my normals were off. Day 2 was adding very simple lighting, namely fog lighting, because it's the most simple it can get. Fog lighting has three main points. Ambient. This technique is to fake global illumination and save very heavy computational power. This light is constant throughout all objects. Diffuse. The light level of this technique is defined by the dot product of the normal and light direction, only if the dot product returns positive. And finally, specular. This lighting simulates how the light would bounce off a surface towards the camera, creating highlights that would return metallic or shiny reflections. Day 3 was me fiddling around with different types of mapping, normal mapping, and specular mapping. Normal mapping changes how light reflects off a surface and is used to make surfaces have depth for minimal computational power. Specular mapping adjusts the specular reflection on different parts of the surface, allowing for some areas to appear more or less shiny and reflective. An example of this is varied reflectivity on parts of the surface where water has partially dried out after rain. And that's it for my first devlog. I hope you enjoyed watching. Have a good day.